Hey guys! Why does... Okay, take two. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So excited to finally be filming a video. Today we're talking about my journey getting veneers, my experience from a client perspective, from a patient perspective, whatever you want to call it. I got veneers about a month ago. This is something that I had been debating for a very long time. So veneers are a way of cosmetically enhancing your smile or your teeth. As you can see, I think I have a pretty good smile now, but I did not, which is why I wanted to get veneers. I did not like the way my smile looked. I did not like the way my teeth were. I'm going to get into the details of everything in just a minute. But before we get started, my name is Isha. I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Do not forget to subscribe if you're interested in that. I also do love talking about cosmetic procedures, getting fillers. I like to keep it real on this channel and I like to be honest and open. Where do I begin? Just to give you guys a little bit of a rundown, I did not like my natural teeth one bit. A lot of people did not notice how bad my natural teeth actually were. I'm going to insert photos right now as I speak so you guys can know what I'm talking about. So my natural teeth were really small. They were also really like rounded, and I did not have this body when I would smile, and they were also slightly crooked and slightly tilted. So I did not like that. I did not feel confident talking in public. I did not feel confident in front of the camera. I always had a thing in the back of my head that my teeth are not looking their best. Unless you're too much in front of the camera, unless you're constantly looking at yourself, constantly judging yourself, judging your appearance, I don't think this is something that should bother you. But this was something that bothered me because I used to make videos, I used to do modeling, I used to do so much stuff that required me to look perfect all the time, and it was a big insecurity of mine, which is why I had to do it. So let's get into the details of the procedure now. I got my veneers done from Dr. Namrata Jadwani, aka the Smilist. She is my dentist. She is absolutely amazing, you guys. She's so good at her job. Specializes in cosmetic dentistry. Like, you can go to her for your cavities, etc., but she specializes in like the aesthetic aspect of dentistry, which is making your smile beautiful. So basically, she was the perfect person for me to go to. Had been speaking to her about it for quite some time. Decided to get on a call and stuff, but then things didn't actually end up working out that time. And then cut to lockdown begun, and I decided I need to do this because it was just something that was bothering me so much. The more I saw myself on YouTube, the more I wanted to get this done because I was just so annoyed with the way my teeth were looking in my videos. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are going to notice the difference now if you all are part of the people who followed me initially. Like, you're going to be able to see a big difference in the way I'm speaking now and the way my face looks and my smile looks, and I'm just so happy about it. I did reach out to her again. I told her, you know what, I want to do this for sure, let's figure out a way. But that was in the very beginning of the lockdown. So our first consult was actually a virtual consult. It was over a video call. She saw my teeth, she understood what I was talking about. I told her my concerns. I told her I wanted more body. I told her I wanted a wider smile. Still, I wanted it to be really delicate, really natural looking, nothing too fake, nothing that looks not like my teeth, you know. As you can see, I love my teeth now. They're so freaking good. They look amazing. The shade is perfect, and you should do your research really well when you're looking for a doctor to get your veneers done. I would recommend my doctor Namrata because she is so good. In any case, if you don't live in Bombay, if you're not looking at traveling, if you're somewhere else, just be sure that your dentist does veneers day in and day out. They know what they're talking about. They know what they're doing. And she really did. And she didn't get irritated with me because I had so many demands. I wanted like everything perfect, and I started off with such a bad smile that she's turned into like the smile of my dreams, you know. Literally now I'm so much more confident. They make them according to your smile, according to your preference, according to whatever you want to fix. You can do 2 veneers if you want, you can do 4 veneers if you want. I did 8 from here to here. All of these are veneers, and I am so happy with my decision. So the procedure, it takes about 5 to 6 sittings minimum, and it can take you about from 2 weeks to 2.5 weeks to get the whole thing done. The first consultation I had with Namrata was on a video call. Spoke about our concerns. So for like a good half an hour, 45 minutes, we were just sitting there discussing and talking about what I want. And the second sitting we had was actually a checkup. So to check the hygiene of my mouth, to check if all my teeth are doing fine or no. We did not want to compromise on that. So we actually did a cleanup. We, you know, got all my cavities filled, etc., etc. Then we started the procedure of getting veneers, and the first actual sitting where we actually started working on the veneers was when she took my are they called dentures? So basically she took my molds. So you know they put that thing and then they put it in your mouth, top and bottom, and they get like a mold of your smile. So after getting my molds done, she actually made a digital smile makeover, which was crazy because she literally designed the smile by hand. So it was a very custom made thing. It wasn't like, you know, something that you get everywhere. So let's backtrack and I'm gonna show you. Hey guys, today we're finally back in Namrata's clinic. Last time, as you saw, we got the molds done, kind of took the measurements and everything. So today I actually get to see what my teeth are gonna look like, and I'm so excited. So let's look at them.
I'm super excited to actually show you your final preview.
Yeah.
So like we discussed the last time, I feel like I've kept all your smile goals in mind, and we've done a custom shape for you. You won't see a preview of the shade in this, but you'll get to see exactly what your veneers are going to look like. And I'm super excited because we've addressed all the concerns. So let's start off with what we started with. Okay, these are the teeth. You know the mold I took last time?
Yeah.
This is what we converted it to.
Correct.
Now, like you said, you know, these teeth are tilted, these teeth are tilted. As you can see, you know, this has an odd sort of peg-like shape,
Yeah.
as does this. And you know, can you see, Isha, your teeth actually collapse from inside. Your smile goes inside slightly,
Yeah.
as opposed to this side where it's more arched.
Okay.
So my idea was to make your teeth longer. So you're a tall girl. You have a nice, you know, oval face. So to give you slender teeth, little fuller teeth, make your smile fuller from both sides, because you know it goes like a little too inside.
Kind of gets empty.
Correct. And in terms of shape, what we were looking at was changing this, you know, more and giving you slightly longer teeth here.
Yeah, for sure.
Your gum work's going to be very minimum.
Okay.
So now,
The
this
final
is what we've come to.
Wow.
Can you see
Oh,
this?
this is amazing. This is, oh my god, I sound so bad.
The first review.
Wow.
Okay. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to basically, as you can see, we've changed the shape here.
Yeah.
We've still kept a very feminine shape for you. We've given you slight curves
Yeah.
to give you like a feminine look.
Yeah.
I've kind of filled your smile. That's what we've decided to do.
Amazing.
You know, but not too much because I'd still like you to look as delicate.
Yeah.
But to give you a nice wholesome smile.
Yeah.
And yeah, so this is
is
like
a
I said.
dream.
So you know, nicer canines
Yeah.
and a great level, slightly slender. You don't need much gum work, which is a great thing. But you know, we've leveled out your gum as well. So do you want to see the difference?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my god. This is amazing.
So
Look at my horrible little teeth before.
No, they're not horrible. We don't call anyone's. I actually don't mind characteristic teeth.
Yeah.
But we're just making what you have better. We're not actually, you know. Also, do you want to see how little we require to drill?
Okay, yeah.
Veneers are this thin. So they just come like as a thin overlap. They're not going to cover your, you know, entire teeth. They are like these really thin shells.
Oh wow.
Which, you know, everyone gets very scared.
Yeah.
That veneers require a lot of drilling. Is it very painful? It's not. It requires bare minimal drilling. If anyone's good at math, it's about 0.5 to 0.7 mm. That's all we need to drill to achieve this. So, are you ready? I want to show you the digital version is what we started with. You'll actually realize from all aspects. Here you go.
Wow.
Okay.
This is insane.
So you'll be able to see it's actually this.
Oh wow, I'm missing 2 teeth.
That's okay, we're looking at replacing that as well.
Yeah, but this is amazing.
Yeah, so you see,
Like,
this was the shape we created, and this is what we're planning. And
I'm too excited.
I know, me too.
Yeah.
So now all we have to do is, by the way, you can also see how your veneer will look. Can you see this?
Oh.
So that's your tooth inside, and that's your veneer
Oh,
outside.
that is so cool.
This is a
Wow. Yeah, that's
so
insane.
you can see how much shape we've changed and alignment.
This is too good.
Yeah, wait, let me
Just too
show you
good.
more.
And this is like the shape that I wanted, you know?
Correct. You know, this is exactly what we had sort of discussed.
Yeah.
Here you go. See the thin shell?
Oh my god.
Also,
Yeah.
that's how thin your veneer is.
Yeah, that's crazy, huh?
Are you ready to get these veneers done?
For sure,
Yes,
100%.
let's do it.
Okay guys, so I just got done and can I just say that was so much fun and I'm so excited. I've finally seen what my teeth are going to look like and I could not be happier. These are literally my dream teeth. Okay, that is the first thing I want to tell you guys. The second thing I want to tell you guys is, so in Namrata's clinic, everybody was super like protected. Everyone was in these hazmat suits and they were wearing their shields and their masks and their hair was covered and their feet were covered and their hands had gloves. So it was perfect, you know, literally all the precaution was taken. I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh, why are you getting your teeth done in the middle of COVID? But honestly, when you know that everybody is safe and they're, you know, perfectly fine. My temperature was checked and everything was perfectly done. So you don't have to worry about safety at all when you're coming here. So that was that. That was one of the most reassuring sittings for me. That's when I realized that, okay, fine, we're both on the same page. She knows exactly what I want. So we're good, you know. The next time you meet your dentist, she's actually probably gonna ask to shave your teeth. And this is a little bit scary, but I have to say that it was a very comfortable experience for me. Hey guys, so today is my third visit here at Namrata's clinic and I am really excited but really nervous at the same time because we're actually starting the procedure and we're going to be drilling my teeth today to make them be able to fit the veneers on them. So let's see how it goes. I'm a little nervous, a little excited. You want to say anything?
Let's do this and let's finally give you that smile that you've been waiting for.
Yeah. Obviously you get anesthetized and you're numb, so when they are shaving your teeth you don't really feel anything. I was honestly so concerned as a patient. I was scared. Obviously there's a drilling machine and it kind of just goes zzz on your teeth and like shaves your teeth off. A lot of people are scared about the fact that when you get veneers your natural teeth get shaved down to really tiny nubs, and I will show you guys what my natural teeth look like even underneath these right now because I did take pictures. They are not that small. My teeth are very much alive. Honestly, Namrata did shave my teeth just enough to be able to fit the veneer on top. So she was very conservative with it, which is another good thing.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a video.
So she was very conservative. So if that's something you're concerned about, you shouldn't be. And they do give you temporary veneers which are basically made out of like this plastic material for the next 1 week, so you can basically have a decent smile for that 1 week until your actual veneers are getting prepared. Hey guys, please ignore the way I look right now, but I just got my temporaries in and I'm so excited. I really love how they look. I did have my temps for about a week. I used to wear them and they're a little bit delicate. Sometimes they break, sometimes they don't. If you eat too aggressively, if you eat a pizza or something, they break. So I did have to get my temps like changed twice because the first set of temps I did completely screw up basically. What was I telling you guys? Okay, I've forgotten. The final day arrived when I had to get my veneers fit in, and that I have to say was like the best part of the whole experience. I am so happy with my experience. I think I look great right now. I think this smile has honestly changed my life and I could not be happier. Hated my teeth, you guys. I hated them. I was so conscious about them. They used to really piss me off. And doing this has given me such a boost of confidence. I did not realize how badly I needed to do this until I actually did it. This whole journey has been so special to me. Namrata and I have actually become such good friends. I started missing going to her clinic for appointments after these 2 weeks got over because I just was so used to that life, and now it's not there anymore. But I will be putting her details in the description below, so in case you want to reach out to her, find out the cost, you should go follow her on Instagram if you're looking at doing this. Her Instagram is called The Smilist. I'm going to put the exact name down below here and in the description so you guys can reach out to her if you're interested in getting these veneers done by her. I hope this video was super helpful for anybody who's looking at getting veneers done. Do let me know if you have any more questions. I will be more than happy to answer them. But yeah, this was my experience getting veneers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you actually enjoyed this video, if you like seeing my face. Let me know for any recommendations you may have, and thank you so much for 500 subscribers, by the way, you guys. There are some of you whose names I literally remember because you all have been there since the beginning. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being there. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.